1, 2, 3 pots, or even a large casserole at once can be a challenge for your hob. Not anymore. Extended Flex Induction gives you endless possibilities to cook on your hob. The size and location of your cooking vessels are automatically detected. And as induction heats the base of the vessel but not the hob itself, you can cook anywhere you want on the hob surface. Use it like a conventional hob with 4 separate cooking zones. Or combine them at the touch of a button to make 2 separate large cooking zones for bigger pots and roasters. This gives you additional space for positioning round pots or pans with a diameter of 30 centimeters. Or 40 centimeter long roasters and accessories can be flexibly accommodated, even 2 at the same time. Endless flexibility, even with a huge range of accessories. And always one result: perfection. This is Extended Flex Induction, the extendable cooking zone that gives you endless cooking options. Bosch, invented for life.